He's accused of killing Ralph Painter, the police chief of Rainier. And now 2 years after that horrible crime, his family and friends are still waiting for justice to be served. Today, the suspect, Daniel Butts, appeared in court for another hearing. Welcome to KOIN Local 6 at 5. I'm Jeff Gianola.
And I'm Kelly Day. KOIN Local 6 reporter Chris Woodard is live in Columbia County tonight. And Chris, the big question still is, will Chief Painter's accused killer ever go to trial?
Can't hear me. That's exactly what attorneys are arguing for here today. They want to prove that Daniel Butts is competent and can assist attorneys in a murder trial. But while they're here talking about his mental health and his behavior, that odd behavior makes an appearance right here in the courtroom.
Closed his eyes at the start of the hearing and plugged his ears.
After several hours of testimony, one of Daniel Butts' attorneys stands to make a point.
He put both of them there. I laid those down. He put them back up and put a note pad that I had given him to take notes with. He put that on top of there and kept that up. He plugged his ears and put his head down, and at different times I would hear him making noise. I don't know if he was laughing or crying.
He wants everyone to know how Butts has been behaving in the courtroom.
Mr. Butts is just simply not participating in it.
And for Butts' attorneys, that's the point here today. They're arguing he doesn't communicate, can't help them, and is not competent to stand trial. His odd behavior both in the courtroom and while incarcerated is nothing new. Butts has thrown food trays, stabbed himself with a pencil, and stood in a praying position for hours at a time. But 1 year ago, a judge ruled Butts was faking mental illness to avoid a trial.
I interacted with Mr. Butts frequently.
Back in court today.
One of the things, the first thing he said was he didn't think he was going to have to wear the stun device.
Wearing stun devices around both his waist and leg, Butts listened as prosecutors once again argued this case should go to trial.
Have you seen people that in your experience and opinion were obviously mentally ill?
Yes.
Is this one of them?
No.
No decisions on Butts' competency were made here today, and both sides will be back in the courtroom tomorrow. Reporting for you live in St. Helens, I'm Chris Woodard for KOIN Local 6.
Thanks, Chris. And stay with KOIN Local 6 for continuing coverage of this very important case. If there is new information that comes in, we'll have it for you right away on air. KOINLocal6.com, Facebook, and Twitter.